Hi guys, Ms. Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 5, Lesson 11. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to recognize halves in a circular clock face and tell time to the half hour. Now, we know that we have two questions that we need to ask ourselves. First is what time is it? Second is how do we know? Well, looking at this, I can tell this is the minute hand because it's the long hand. This is the hour hand because it's a shorter hand. Now, remember the minute hand uses secret numbers. So like yesterday we talked about, or in the previous lesson we talked about how the 12 used the double zero. Today we talked about how the 6 is 30 because it's half of it. Now looking at this, the minute hand isn't all the way to the 8 yet, which lets me know that it's 7. Also, another cute thing that I do is I start right here and I go hickory dickory dock, the mouse around the clock, and the floor, boom, and it hits the wall. It comes back and the mouse hits 7, which that helps me know that it is still 7 o'clock because it hasn't quite got to 8 yet. So I know that it's 7. And then the minute hand is pointing to that 6, which we know we're not going to put 6. The minute hand uses secret numbers, which in this case is pointing to 6, which secret number is 30. So it's 7:30. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.